In a shocking turn of events, the ED has seized properties worth Rs 2.04 crore tied to Sresan Pharmaceutical. This action is part of a broader investigation into the adulterated cough syrup tragedy that claimed the lives of over 20 innocent children. Stay tuned for further updates as this critical case unfolds. ED has seized properties worth Rs 2.04 crore. Over 20 children died due to contaminated cough syrup. High levels of toxic chemicals discovered, negligent manufacturing practices identified, investigation into regulatory corruption ongoing. It is imperative to recognize the gravity of the allegations and the impact on public health. The revelations about the manufacturing practices raise serious concerns about regulatory oversight and the need for stricter enforcement of safety standards in the pharmaceutical industry. Nation always advocates for accountability and justice in such critical matters.